In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about a little quirk in Blogger URLs, namely, the appearance of the sequence M1. Whether you're a seasoned Blogger user or just getting started, this seemingly odd addition to your URLs might catch your eye. Let's take a deeper look into what this means, why it happens, and what, if anything, you need to do about it. First, let's delve into what exactly the .m1 means. Essentially, Blogger adds this parameter at the end of your URL whenever a page is accessed via a mobile device. Similarly, .m60 indicates access from a desktop. This is part of Blogger's adaptive design approach, ensuring that your site can flexibly cater to both mobile and desktop users. The underlying reason for the inclusion of .m1 is to allow Blogger to present a mobile-optimized version of your site, contributing to a better user experience for those scrolling through your content on the go. You might wonder whether you need to take any action when you see the EX1 at the end of your blog's URLs. In general, the answer is no. Blogger takes care of this by setting up a canonical tag on mobile pages. The canonical tag directs search engines to recognize the desktop version of your pages, those without the .m1 tag, as the primary version. This effectively helps alleviate any concerns regarding duplicate content because search engines understand that even though the URL is different, it's still the same main page. Additionally, it's crucial to note that Google and other search engines are typically very adept at understanding these parameters. They are not likely to penalize your site for duplicate content due to these variations in URLs. Google's well-versed in these mobile-specific tags and handles them efficiently, meaning you won't face any SEO penalties. So Blogger's system is robust enough to ensure that your content remains searchable and indexed correctly, regardless of whether it's accessed on a mobile device or a desktop. Ultimately, the presence of .m1 in your Blogger URLs is nothing to worry about and doesn't typically require any input on your part. It's part of the designed functionality to ensure a seamless experience for users, with Blogger handling the technical details in the background to optimize for both mobile and desktop access. If you've spotted this URL marker and were concerned, rest assured that everything is operating just as it should be. To sum up, while seeing an M1 might initially raise questions, it's just Blogger doing its job to ensure your content is displayed in the best possible way for your audience. You've got nothing to worry about it. It's all part of the system working smoothly to ensure your readers have a great experience no matter what device they're using. Thanks for joining me, and I hope this explanation has clarified things for you.